We're now looking at a typical schematic in AutoCAD Electrical. So you'll notice we've got some PLCs here, and obviously if I hover over those, can you see, look, the whole PLC highlights. Now this particular schematic, again, is in the demo, in here, WD Demo in AutoCAD Electrical, and what you've got here is a schematic folder in the project itself, and I'm in Demo 07. Now again, I've saved that Demo 07 drawing into the work files, so you can use it if you wish as part of this video exercise. Now, when I hover over that PLC, as I mentioned, if I click on it and I then right click, I can edit that component. And what will happen is it will go into the PLC module, which is where all of these linkages join and tell this circuit what to do. So you'll notice I've got things like the list descriptions, there's the address, and the PLC module links, and it's almost intelligent. It links and talks to the circuits and the components in the circuits, telling valves what to do, telling switches what to do, and so on and so forth. In this case, it's rack 00, and the manufacturer there is AB. It's even got a catalog number so I can go and look it up. But what I can do is set all of these input-output point descriptions. So with this PLC, you've got an input and an output. So something will come into the PLC, and then the output will be the resulting action of that particular part of the PLC. So at the moment, that one's spare, but if I select a different one in the list, that one there, gas pressure, not high. If I select 5, downstream gas valve, closed, and so on and so forth. I'll just cancel that now and go back into the drawing. The nice thing is, you'll notice it zooms out when I'm in that dialog box, but when I'm finished, it goes back to my zoomed view in the drawing. So let's just zoom out a little bit now and look at these racks and PLCs in a little bit more detail. If I look over here on the right-hand side and zoom in, again, notice the use of color to distinguish one thing from another. The text is blue, the wiring is red, so if I click on that and look at my layers, it's red 18AWG there. And also here, I've got G. What's a G? Well, one would think that's a gas valve. But to check, we click on it, and again, right-click, edit component, and there we go, purge on. It is obviously a valve, and what happens is when the purge goes on, that valve opens. Manufacturer, AB, catalog number, so that we can look that up and obviously make sure it's a recognized manufactured component. So as you can see from the schematics as well, everything is used in a particular way for a particular type of drawing. Now the benefit of obviously AutoCAD Electrical is that right click. That right click is fundamental to everything we're going to be doing in this particular course.